Are you guys looking for a large 2-story home with a next-gen suite here in the Las Vegas and Henderson area? Well, in this video, I will be previewing the Sage floor plan by Lennar Homes, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is De La Bella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. And what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So welcome to the Luca 1 and the Luca 2 community by Lennar Homes. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're right next to Inspirada, you guys. We're actually just outside the boundary of Inspirada, so you don't have to pay the master plan fee. But I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So we have the Luca 1 community. Now they offer 3 different floor plans, guys, ranging from $637,990 all the way up to $757,990. And we also have the Luca 2. They offer 3 different floor plans as well, ranging from about 2469 square feet all the way up to 2516, with the base prices ranging from $712,990 all the way to $738,990. Now guys, with Lennar, whenever you look at the base price, I would on average add about maybe like 40 grand to that base price, and that would be kind of like what you expect out the door for the total cost, including the lot premium as well as the upgrades. Okay, Lennar does out here, you guys, is they build a lot of spec homes. So if you wanted to get into something pretty soon, I mean, a lot of these homes will be done within months. If you wanted to build from lot up, I think you do have that available, that option as well. Okay. As far as the HOA guys in this community, you're looking at $105 a month. It is not gated, unfortunately. Okay, so $105 a month. That's going to include the exterior landscaping and all of that. And that is all the information that I have. So let's just get right into this video. Welcome everybody to the Sage floor plan. And now guys, this is 3,080 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath. And yes, this is a next gen suite. Okay, this is also a 2-story home, and the base price as of today is $747,990. Now guys, when it comes to Lennar, as far as the base price goes, okay, a lot of things are included that you see in the model homes. I know they do upgrade like the flooring as well as the countertop. So, you know, if the base price is $747,990, I would say like the actual out the door price would, you know, be around like the $470, $480 range. Okay, so you're looking at the 3-car garage. All right, now right over here, you're gonna have your separate entry to the next gen suite. So yeah, let's take a look guys. So you kind of have to walk to the side to get to the entry door here. Now this is going to be an 8-foot door. Okay. All right, guys. So as soon as you walk in, you're kind of greeted with this hallway space. So you have like your dining room right here. You also have your door to your garage, your coat closet. Now you're gonna have your next gen suite right over here. Now we also have 9-foot ceiling. Okay, you're gonna get the 9-foot ceiling, the first floor as well as the second floor. So here we're gonna have the door to the garage, guys, and then in the garage you're gonna have the water softener loop. Okay, you'll also have a pre-wire for your, you know, if you have an electric vehicle, pre-wire setup right over there. I believe you have a tankless water heater. Okay, water softener loop, tankless water heater. Okay, door to your garage. Definitely open floor plan, guys. Okay, we'll visit that next gen suite in just a moment. Now, something I always have to bring up as far as the you know, as far as what's upgraded here, okay, so the stair rails, now this is standard, guys, actually, the stair rails right there. The white mission style stair rails are standard. Now, the flooring is upgraded, okay? Now, the standard flooring for most new build communities is you're gonna have like carpet all throughout the home, except for the wet areas. Sometimes you'll have like a tile, like a 17 by 17 tile in like the kitchen, bathroom, laundry room, and the entryway. Here at Lennar, I think they use like a type of vinyl or a linoleum that's going to be in the wet areas. Okay. But yeah, if you want like this type of plank flooring all throughout the first floor, you know, that is definitely optional, guys. Okay. Cool. So here we're in the living room. We do have the pre-wire to the ceiling fan. You're going to get that in the great room as well as all the bedrooms. That is standard. What you're seeing here, right here, this is all standard, you guys. Your cabinet is set up, except for the backsplash. Does not include the backsplash. And yes, I believe this quartz countertop is upgraded right here. Okay, so the countertop as well as the backsplash, but the cabinets, those are standard, guys. Now, the great thing too about Lennar is you're also, as far as the appliance go, all of this is going to be included, including the refrigerator, dishwasher. You have the cooktop oven, microwave. Now, the only appliance that does not come with is going to be the washer and dryer. Okay. So right here, you have your pantry. Cool. So you got a nice large slider, 8-foot slider. Oh, we can't get to the backyard, guys. As far as this covered patio goes, comes included. Everything else right over there, you're gonna have like a desert. I mean, it's just gonna be rocks. So you have about a year to do your backyard. The pavers underneath the covered patio will be included. Okay. Now let's check out this next gen suite. So here you're gonna have your guest, your powder room. Okay, guys. So we toilet, countertop. I mean your sink, your undermount sink, Moen faucet. Remember, guys, this is everything. These are all the options you can expect in your home. Okay. Lennar does offer a great standard material. So this is the next gen suite. So right here, we're gonna have like your refrigerator. We have your microwave. Right here, it looks like we're gonna have some storage space. You know, they made good use of the underneath the stairs, in my opinion. And then you'll have your little living room here. Now, guys, what a next gen suite is. Now, a lot of builders call it different things. So Lennar, they call it next gen suite. I think DR Horton multi-gen suite, and I forget, but they have a couple of different names for it. It's just a separate living area, you guys. It has its own entryway, like a side entrance that you could access. Right over here is going to be the door, and you could head outside. But it normally has its own living room. It has like a mini half kitchen with like refrigerator, microwave. You'll have your full bath, and then like a laundry room. Okay, so this is great, ideal for, let's say you have a roommate, right, and you want to give them their own space. They could live in the next gen suite, or you have family or friends or anybody that's staying with you, they could just stay in the next gen suite. The only time they'd really need to come out of the next gen suite is if they plan on cooking or using the stove. But I mean, they have their own full bath. They have their entryway outside the house. They have their washer and dryer. You know, multi-gens, next gens are getting pretty popular. Let's take a look, guys. Okay, see, right over here, you have its own, see, this is the next gen entrance. See, and then right over there, you're gonna have the That's gonna be your backyard back there. So actually, you know what, let's go ahead and check it out. Just cause I couldn't open the slider, so here you go. Very nice little backyard. Guys, again, remember this is all just gonna, when you move in, it's all gonna be dirt. Cool, looks like you have your little, your hose bib right over there. You're gonna have a gasoline line so you could barbecue. Right. Okay. Oh, as far as the, you're gonna have the knockdown texture. As far as the wall goes, you're gonna have the flat corner edging. Okay. The paint is also gonna be extra white by Sherwin-Williams. I believe they use flat. They use a flat finish. Okay, and then yeah. So we got the full bath right here. All right. Now, guys, everything that you see here, that's kind of like what you see is what you get. There's no upgraded features right here. That's all right. So this is your next gen bedroom. Cool. So this is a queen size bed. Now I want to say this room is probably 11 by 12. So just a little bit bigger than a 10 by 10. So right here we have your walk-in closet. Okay, stacked washer and dryer. See, very convenient. Now, I know if I was a guest staying here in my relative's house or my friends and they let me stay in this next gen suite, I mean, look at all this privacy you have. You have your own bedroom, stacked washer and dryer, you know, your own full bath, living room area. You don't have to disturb anybody. You could just leave the house if you're parked in the front. Okay, you can warm up your food. So literally, the only time you'd really need to leave is if, again, like if you plan on cooking and you need to use a stove. Okay, and then obviously, guys, there's gonna be a door right there, okay? All these doors, the interior doors are 6 by 7 as well. Now let's head upstairs. So as soon as you head up, you kind of see these really high ceilings. That's what you see. So as soon as we get to the second floor, you're gonna have this nice cozy loft. Okay. You'll have your primary bedroom right over there. Work hard. I like that. So nice cozy loft. You'll have your primary bedroom right over here, which we'll get to in just a moment. So to the left, you're gonna have your laundry room. Now again, guys, washer and dryer is not included. Okay, here, I mean, I guess we'll just take a look. But yeah, look at all the space for your clothes you can leave here. This is huge. Huge linen closet here. Also, your smart panel box. So this is where you set up your internet modem and your router. Right, so we have one bedroom over here. You're gonna have your full bath, and then this bedroom right here. Okay. So again, guys, on the second floor, you do have 9-foot ceilings. Now this room is probably 11 by 12, probably the same size as the next gen bedroom. Okay. Also, you do have a walk-in closet right there. So let's check out the community, guys. So as of today, I mean, I don't even think the grand opening for Luca 1 has happened yet. But when I just looked at the website, it looks like they've only sold one property so far here in the Luca 1 community. So it's still very early. Yeah, they literally just started building all this. All right, guys, now, if you are interested in a new build community, do me a huge favor, guys. Give me a call. My info is going to be in the description below, or at least let your realtor know you're interested in a new build community, because something you don't want to do is you don't want to show up to the new build community on your very first visit by yourself. Because once they get your information down, they won't let you have representation later on. And you definitely want representation with a realtor, because the builder agents, they have a fiduciary relationship with the builder, which means they look after the builder's best interest. But we do for you guys. And what we do is we try to negotiate for you. We make sure you get all the max builder incentives. We hold the builders accountable, and the builders pay the agent fees. So it's definitely a win-win for you guys. Okay, so make sure you let your realtor know, if you have, or if you're interested in new build, or if you have any questions. Here, so check out the community, you guys, close by. All right, so walk-in closet. Okay, so that's nice. Every bedroom is gonna have a walk-in closet. I definitely appreciate the 9-foot ceilings on both the first and the second floor. Okay, so let's check out the primary bedroom. Okay, guys, so you got the double doors for the primary bedroom. Nice giant slider, I love that. Okay, that's gonna allow a lot of natural light to come in. You also have this window right over here. Again, guys, pre-wire for the ceiling fan. That's gonna be in every room. If it was any other builder, you'd have to upgrade if you wanted it in all the bedrooms. Cool. Let's check out this balcony. Yep, I knew it. It's locked. But yeah, it's actually a pretty long balcony. You can see it goes pretty far. Cool, you guys. So check out the primary bath. Okay, so we're gonna have your water closet right here. Your water closet, your toilet room, whatever you call it. Remember, guys, everything you see here, okay, included. You don't have to upgrade. Walk-in shower right here. You're gonna have your separate tub as well. Okay. All these fixtures as well. The mowing. Okay, you're gonna get the chrome mowing fixtures, the quartz countertop for the bathroom, the white cabinets. Okay. Also, you do have this nice walk-in closet with the attic access up there. All right, guys, let me know what you think about the Sage floor plan in the comments below. Again, guys, if you have any questions, or if you're looking for somebody very familiar with the new build process that could walk you through it, guys, my info is going to be in the description below. Until then, I will catch you guys next video.